Alright, my friend, if you've been watching people talk about AI affiliate marketing and you're not quite sure whether it's the real way to earn money online in 2026 or just another thing to add to the pile of things you've already tried, I want to talk to you honestly about this. Because the answer isn't what most people are selling. Sit with me for a minute, grab your cup of tea or coffee, because what I'm about to share with you is genuinely changing the way I run my business. And I could change yours too. Here's the truth, my friend. Make money online in 2026 looks totally different than it did even 2 years ago. AI isn't replacing affiliate marketing. It's removing the bottleneck that used to keep everyday people from getting started. The research that used to take days, AI helps you to do it in an hour. The content that used to require writing skills you didn't have, AI gives you a starting point you refine in your own voice. But here's where I see people going wrong. They use AI to spam links everywhere with zero trust behind it, and they wonder why nobody buys. The system I'm going to show you today is totally different. It keeps the human element, which is the trust element, at the center. Because without trust, no commission ever comes. Let me be clear about what AI changes, my friend. It changes the time it takes to research a niche. It changes how quickly you can outline a video or piece of content. It changes how fast you can repurpose one video into multiple formats across platforms. Those are real time savings. Those are real advantages, especially for someone who's building this while they're still working full-time or managing a family. What AI doesn't change: the relationship between you and your audience. People still buy from people that they trust. The moment your content feels like it was written by a machine with a link slapped on it, you've lost them. So the rule I follow is simple. AI builds the structure. Your voice, your story, your belief in the product, that fills the structure. Nothing complicated, nothing overwhelming, just clarity. Now here's where most people stop. They get excited about the AI part and they forget to connect it to the actual offer that earns money. Let me show you how I connect the two. Step 1, my friend. Use AI to find the questions your audience is asking right now. You can type something as simple as, "What questions do beginners ask about affiliate marketing tools?" into any AI assistant. You'll get a list of real content ideas, each one a potential video, a potential post, a potential commission. Step 2, match each question to a product that solves it. Not the product with the highest payout, the product that genuinely answers the problem. That's your affiliate angle. Here's step 3. Use AI to draft your content outline, then record or write in your own voice your personal experience with the product. Even just "I tested this and here's what happened" is worth 10 times more than an AI generated review. People trust people, especially people who've been where they are. Let me give you a real example, my friend. I was promoting an email marketing tool, one I genuinely use for my own list. Instead of making a generic top 5 tools video, I used AI to pull together the most common objections people have before buying. Then I made a video that addresses every single one of those objections from my own experience. That video still generates commissions today, not because of the AI, because of the trust. The AI just helped me understand what the audience needed to hear. My friend, if you want to see exactly which tools I use in my own AI affiliate setup, including the email platform, the affiliate programs, and the simple tech I use to track what's going on, it's all in the free guide. Pop me an email and I'll send it directly to you. I genuinely use everything in that guide. My name is on it. Here's something I want you to carry away with you beyond this video, my friend. the people I see building real online income in 2026, not overnight, but steadily and sustainably. They're not chasing the newest tool or the newest AI trick every single week. They made a decision, one niche, one platform, one system, and they show up for it consistently. AI is a tool, not a shortcut. Freedom is a result, not a feature. And the legacy you build, the income that flows while you're living your life, making memories, sleeping soundly, that comes from laying one brick at a time, not frantically, consistently. My friend, if you're ready to start building something real using the advantages AI now gives us, without losing the human trust that makes people buy, you are in the right place. The link to the system that I trust and I'm using to build real online income is in the description below. Subscribe for more real practical content every week. Drop a question in the comments and I will personally read it. I'll see you in the next video, my friend.